Seal open packages with this simple trick. No special machine needed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an incredibly simple and effective trick using just an iron and toilet paper. This hack will save you time and money while keeping your food and household products fresh and protected. You'll love it, so let's get started. We've all been there. You open a package of food or other products wrapped in plastic, and you try to close it with clips, rubber bands, or knots. But these don't always work, and sometimes insects like ants still find a way inside, especially in products like sugar. But don't worry, with today's trick, you'll never have this problem again. Toilet paper, just a small piece will do. An iron, no fancy sealing machine needed. Take a piece of toilet paper and fold it in half. Place it over the open edge of the package. Run a hot iron over it for a few seconds. And just like that, your package is sealed like new. You can use this trick on any type of plastic packaging, and it works perfectly every time. No more worrying about spills, moisture, or insects getting inside your products. Try this out and let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. If you found this hack useful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your family and friends. And if you want more amazing home tricks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. That's it for today. See you next time, friends. Stay safe, and God bless.